This is my first speed cube and I haven't cleaned this cube for 3 years. I have added Vaseline, vegetable oil and hand sanitizer.
Bruh.
Before we clean this cube, let's take a look at Speed Cube Shop's Christmas collection. We have a penguin cube, mini mat, candy cane loop, cube bags, cube stand, decal, and merch. It's currently 50% off right now. If you use discount code VCube, you can save more. It took me 30 minutes to clean these pieces. Pieces are now clean, but I forgot to clean the springs and screws. This made me really angry and I threw my cube at the wall.